Welcome to an unforgettable journey along the sacred Ganges River, one of the most important and spiritual rivers in the world. Known as the Ganga in India, this legendary river flows through the heart of the country and holds deep cultural, historical, and religious significance for millions of people. In this video, we explore the atmosphere, traditions, and daily life surrounding the Ganges. From crowded ghats and colorful ceremonies to peaceful sunrise views over the water, every moment along the river tells a story. Cities such as Varanasi, Haridwar, and Rishikesh are famous for their spiritual importance and attract pilgrims, travelers, photographers, and seekers from around the world. The Ganges is more than a river. It is considered sacred in Hindu tradition and symbolizes purification, life, and devotion. Along the riverbanks, visitors can witness traditional rituals, evening aarti ceremonies with fire and music, ancient temples, and vibrant markets filled with local culture. The combination of spirituality, history, and everyday life creates a truly unique atmosphere unlike anywhere else on Earth. This journey also highlights the incredible diversity of India itself. The sounds of temple bells, the movement of boats across the river, and the endless activity along the ghats provide an immersive look into one of the oldest living civilizations in the world. Whether you're interested in religion, culture, architecture, travel photography, or authentic human experiences, the Ganges offers something unforgettable. Join us as we travel through the sacred heart of India and discover the beauty, mystery, and timeless traditions surrounding the legendary Ganges River. From sunrise reflections to evening ceremonies, this is a journey filled with history, emotion, and extraordinary moments.
मैं भी पगला तू भी पगली फिर भी क्यों सिंगल है शायद तेरे मेरे दिल में कोई और है अटकी मुझे